What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about OnePlus. Looks like a guy that was in a hack-a-challenge thing was going on, and he actually figured out that OnePlus is sending all kinds of weird information back to their service, such as if the phone has random reboots, how many times the phone is locked and unlocked, and it also feeds a lot of that information to a server, like I said, but it's also sending identifiable information such as your phone number, the IMEI number, which is the identification number for the phone, the network that you're on, etc., etc. And this is, I guess, quite normal per OnePlus. This is what OnePlus had to say about this when Christopher Moore confronted them. We securely transmit analytics in two different streams over HTTPS to an Amazon server. The first stream is usage analytics, which we collect in order for us to more precisely fine-tune our software according to user behavior. This transmission of usage actively can be turned off by navigating the settings, advanced, join user experience program. The second stream is device information, which we collect to provide better after-sales support. Now, this is kind of scary because of the identifiable information. Now, it's not a huge deal to check on, reboots and things like that. But in the past, some Chinese companies for sure have been collecting information, feeding that back. Maybe not so much OnePlus, but other companies, especially with webcams and things like that. And this is quite scary because this is identifiable information. If these text messages, for instance, got pushed back or sent somewhere else and they were captured and they're identifiable by your phone number or your IMEI number and that stuff. Obviously, if you buy a phone through OnePlus, they're tracking that IMEI number. So this is some big brother stuff. Hopefully it doesn't turn out to be anything big. It doesn't seem like it's anything big, but it was a very, very interesting story. There's more to it. If you like the guts of computer talk, check out this article. It will be linked in the description down below. And our last story of the day, the biggest story of the day, is that Google has purchased Apple. Well, not so much. It was actually an error with the Dow Jones today, and they sent out an erroneous alert about this, and this is what it said. The headline says, Google Apple joined to create a tech giant. In a surprise move to everyone who was alive, Google said it's going to buy Apple for $9 billion, which is weird because Apple's worth way more than $9 billion. Google chief executive Larry Page had secret talks with the now deceased Steve Jobs in 2010 to firm up a deal. The deal was announced when Jobs' will was read in Cupertino, California. The deal, which is expected to close tomorrow, gave each Apple shareholder 9 shares of Apple stock. Obviously, Apple will move into Apple's fancy headquarters. Google said, yay. Freaking ridiculous. It actually pushed Apple stock up very slightly with the news when that happened, but it was an erroneous thing to do with algorithms and what Dow does with their computers. So it was just a big error overall, but it was pretty funny. I thought I would share it with you guys. But overall, very slow news day. There really wasn't much to talk about, but hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thanks for watching. The question of the day is, which company would you like to see Google or Apple buy and why? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. See you down the road. Peace.